Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to be going over several different products that are selling extremely well during this quarantine. Alright, so let's get right into it. So first and foremost, as you guys probably know, at-home workout products are doing extremely well right now because every single gym is closed. Chances are, if you go to 24-hour fitness or Equinox or wherever the heck you guys go, the doors are closed. With that being said, a lot of people are going online and buying products so that they can work out from their home. So a yoga mat is something that people can use for a variety of different things as far as working out, stretching, and different kinds of exercises. So yoga mats have been doing pretty well right now. So the next product I'm going to show you guys are these resistance bands. If you guys haven't seen advertisements for these resistance bands, you must not be using social media very much. I've seen videos that are advertising these bands with 30 or 40 plus million views on the video, meaning that the people that are advertising that video are making a lot of money on these sales. So resistance bands are obviously a good workout at home product and something that people are buying right now. So this is another representation of an at-home fitness product that you guys could sell. Obviously, taking into consideration that there's a ton of different products that people could use at home to work out, you should do your due diligence and find different products so that you can fill in a gap and sell as many products as humanly possible, not just the ones that people are seeing a lot on social media right now. So the next thing I want to cover is mask sales. So there's a lot of bad stigma around mask sales. A lot of people say that you shouldn't sell masks, but think about it. Literally every single person right now is wearing a mask. You can't get into Costco or just your average grocery store without wearing a mask. So with that being said, there's a lot of desire and need and demand for these masks, so it's not a hard sell. It's pretty much gotten to the point where there's been laws set in place where if you're outside and you're not wearing a mask, you could receive a citation. So it's really easy to understand why it's not a hard sale. So I'm going to show you a few different variants of masks so you guys can have an understanding of different kinds of designs and things like that that people are buying. Because at this point, people are pretty much using masks as fashion accessories, being as that they're required to wear it anyways. So I'm going to show you a few different designs that you guys could sell that are interesting and would probably grab attention. So I've seen a lot of masks that have little designs on the front, like a little mouth, like a smiley face, a happy face, or one with a little tongue out. You guys can be creative and figure out which ones you think are going to sell the best, but just selling masks that are kind of funny, silly, and bring light to this entire situation that we're going through definitely are an easy sell right now. Taking the same kind of things into consideration that I was just saying about the prior mask, these little anime masks are an easy sell right now because it's just something that's funny and it brings light to this entire situation, and it's something that people enjoy wearing rather than strapping on like a blue medical mask every day. This is just another representation of a mask that has teeth or a face on the front. You don't need to sell masks that have these exact designs on it. You can sell pretty much any mask that you'd like at this point. In my opinion, the ones with the little faces on the front are going to do much better. So the last mask that I'm going to show you guys is this Pikachu mask. So as you guys probably know, everyone knows Pikachu. It's a cute mask that people are going to ask about when you wear it out in public, and I would say this is probably a very easy sell. Just like the other masks that showcase like a little mouth on the front, having a little Pikachu mask with the little red dots and the tongue out, it's a cute design and it's definitely something that people would buy. I see that there's not very many sales on it at the moment, so you guys might be able to take advantage, who knows. So moving forward, there's a lot of different things that people are buying right now to upgrade and change the design of their room. Considering the fact that literally everyone is stuck inside during this quarantine in their room, in their house, they want to make changes to it so that it's more enjoyable, it's more livable. They're not going to go insane living and sitting in the same kind of environment that they've been for months on end. So people are buying things to make little adaptations, and these LED light strips have been selling for years. Given the fact that everyone's literally inside right now, they're selling exponentially better than they ever had before, just like a few of the other products that I'm about to show you. So just like the last product, this is a product that people are buying because they want to change their current environment, they want to change the look and feel of their room. If you've been on Instagram lately, you've probably seen a lot of ads for these projectors, and I know that they are doing pretty well because I know several people who are running stores selling these projectors. You could sell this projector on a one product store, on a general store, or in a store where you're basically selling all different kinds of products that people would buy to change the look and feel of the room. I'm not going to go too much more in depth on this product, kind of self-explanatory. It's just a projector that makes the stars in the galaxy appear on your ceiling, and it makes people feel like they're making changes to the room even though it's just a little projector. So definitely a good product to sell, and you guys probably wouldn't struggle very much if you tried to advertise it. So another example of products that people are buying right now because they're stuck inside are these LED curtains. They're pretty interesting, and considering the fact that I sell products like this for a living and I think it's interesting, it's probably a good pick. I'm curious to see what kind of video ad creatives people have made for this product, But just like the other products, people are buying things like this because they want to change the way their room looks and feels so that they can adjust to the fact that they've been sitting inside for the last several months. So thinking about the mindset of people who are buying these kinds of products and what other kind of products they potentially want to buy, you guys can probably figure out a lot of different products that you can sell to people who are looking to change the aesthetic look and feel of their room. I thought this one was really interesting, so I decided to include it in this video. I've never seen this product before, and it seems almost to be like a lava lamp in a sense, but with jellyfish. So never seen anything like this, but I think it's pretty cool. And considering that a lot of people are buying products to change the look and feel of their room, this is probably something that people would be interested in buying. But if you don't want to spend money advertising this product directly, but you still want to see if it sells, you can always add it on your website and see if people are interested. So the next product on this list is the Galaxy lamp. So this is basically just a revised moon lamp. You guys have probably seen this product like 10,000 plus times, or at least the moon lamp. For obvious reasons, this is an easy sell right now. The moon lamp has been selling for years and years and years, and this one looks even cooler than the moon lamp, and it's the same kind of design. So I would say this is probably a very easy sell because people are just buying whatever the hell they can to make their room look nice and interesting at this point. So this is the product that I was referencing when I said you guys have probably seen it 10,000 plus times. The moon lamp is iconic. It's been selling since like 2016, 2017. People have made a lot of money selling this product. Literally, there are kids that have made millions of dollars selling the moon lamp. And the sales died down in the last few years, but due to the fact that the coronavirus is here now and everyone's stuck inside, the sales have been going up exponentially, just like a lot of the other items that I've mentioned in this video. And if you look online, there's probably hundreds of different advertisement videos that you could utilize considering how many different stores sold this product, so you wouldn't have a hard time finding strong advertising material. So the last product I'm going to go over are these little hexagonal lights that you can put on your wall and arrange in different formations. I have several friends who actually own these, so I mean, if they own them and they also do e-commerce, it probably means that it's an easy sell. I actually really like the way that these look, so I'm probably going to buy them, not from AliExpress, but from the company that created the design. These hexagonal lights have been selling really well, and it's probably due to the fact that you can change the aesthetic appearance of any room just by simply putting them on the wall in a different formation. Just like the moon lamp, there's a lot of different advertisement videos that people have made to sell this product, so doing a quick search on Facebook to find different creatives that people have made will show you a lot of different advertising content that you can utilize for yourself after you cut it up and make it into your own video. So this is the last product that I'm going to cover in this video, but I will say, if you guys go through and look at the different products that I showed in this video and kind of break apart the consumer psychology that goes behind why a person would buy each one of these products, and then try to find similar products that fit that same criteria, you guys should be able to find several, if not many, really great products that you can sell and make a lot of money on during this quarantine. People are literally sitting at home inside on their computer, on their phone, buying stuff, playing games, watching Netflix, and so on. They're literally glued to their devices, so there's never been a better time to try and advertise. But do make sure before you go ahead and try and sell these products that you do have a strong supply chain and fulfillment system set up, and that you've already made agreements with someone on AliExpress that's reputable for each and every product that you're selling so that you don't get screwed, because the coronavirus has been ruining shipping times. So make sure that you talk to the suppliers before you start selling the products so you're not stuck trying to explain to your customers that they're going to get their product in 50 to 60 days, because no one wants to deal with that. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate the support, and I'll see you in the next video.